everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss the question number 6 to 10 of exercise 9.1 from the NCERT book of class 7. Question number 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Before to start the solution, first recall your knowledge. When two rational numbers are equivalent rational numbers, then that rational numbers can be said to be same rational numbers. First, -7/21 and 3/9. One is negative rational number and another is positive rational number. So, कभी भी नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर और पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर इक्वल हो ही नहीं सकते. सो दिस पेयर कैन नॉट बी रिप्रेजेंट द सेम रेशनल नंबर्स. नाउ लुक एट द सेकंड. -16/20 and 20/-25. Both are negative rational numbers because we know that चाहे आप कहिए -P/Q या आप कहिए P/-Q, both are same rational numbers. So 20/-25 can be written as -20/25. So both rational numbers are negative rational numbers. Now 16. What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. 20. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So highest common factor between 60 and 20 are 4. So divided numerator and denominator both by the highest common factor, then this rational number is -4/5. Now -20/25. What are the factor of 20? 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. What are the factors of 25? 1, 5 and 25. So the common factor is 5. So divided numerator and denominator by 5. So this rational number is -4/5. It means in the simplest form both rational numbers are same. So -16/20 and -20/25 or 20/-25 both are same rational numbers. Third, -2/-3 and 2/3. Multiply numerator and denominator both by integer -1. Then the equivalent rational number is 2/3. So 2/3 is same as 2/3. So -2/-3 and 2/3 represent the same rational number. Fourth, -3/5. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. Highest common factor is 1. So -3/5 rational number is in its standard form. Next, -12/20. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 4, 6 and 12. And what are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So the highest common factor between 12 and 20 is 4. So divide the numerator and denominator both by 4. So the standard form of this rational number is -3/5. 5, which is same as previous rational number. So minus 3 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 20 are same rational numbers. Next, 8 upon minus 5 and minus 24 upon 15. From the previous discussion, we know that कि 8 upon 5 can be written as minus 8 upon 5 and minus 8 upon 5 में what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. And what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. So the highest common factor is 1. So minus 8 upon 5 is in its standard form. Now look at minus 24 upon 15. What are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 4, 6, 12 and 24. 8 also the factor of 24. 15. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. So the common factor between 24 and 15 is 3. So the highest common factor is 3. So divide numerator and denominator by 3, then the rational number is minus 8 upon 5. It means minus 8 upon 5 and minus 24 upon 15 both represent the same rational number. Next, 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 9. 1 upon 3 is the positive rational number and minus 1 upon 9 is the negative rational number. So this pair never represent the same rational number because one is positive rational number and another is the negative rational number. Now minus 5 upon minus 9 and 5 upon minus 9. Multiply numerator and denominator with minus 1, then the equivalent rational number is 5 upon 9. It means this is a positive rational number and 5 upon minus 9 is the negative rational number. Again, because one is positive rational number and another is negative rational number, so these two rational numbers never be represent the same rational number. Number 7. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Recall your knowledge. किसी रेशनल नंबर को हम कब उसके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? When the numerator and denominator both have only one common factor which is number 1. जब न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों नंबर के बीच में केवल एक कॉमन फैक्टर होता है और वो होता है नंबर 1, तब हम उस रेशनल नंबर को कहते हैं कि ये रेशनल नंबर अपने सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में है. सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ नंबर 8? फैक्टर्स ऑफ नंबर 8 आर 1, 2, 4 and 8. And what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the common factors are 1 and 2. So the highest common factor is 2. Now divide the numerator and denominator both by the highest common factor. So 8 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. So it is minus 4 upon 3. This is the simplest form of the rational number minus 8 upon 6. Now second, 25 upon 45. What are the factors of number 25? 1, 5 and 25. And what are the factors of number 45? 1, 3, 9, 5 also, 1, 3, 5, 9 and 15 and 45. So the common factors are 1 and 5. Highest common factor is 5. So divide the numerator and denominator both by 5. So it is 5 upon 9. This is the simplest form of rational number 25 upon 45. In the rational number minus 44 upon 72, 4 is the highest common factor. You can find out. So highest common factor is 4. So divide numerator and denominator both by 4, then the number is minus 11 upon 18. So this is the simplest form of rational number minus 44 upon 72. Similarly, minus 8 upon 10, the highest common factor is 2. So divide the numerator and denominator both by 2. The standard form of this rational number is minus 4 upon 5. Now, question number 8. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater than, less than or equal to. First question, minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Minus 5 by 7 is the negative rational number. 2 by 3 is the positive rational number. We know that negative rational number is always be less than positive rational number. So minus 5 by 7 is less than 2 by 3. Second, minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7 both are negative rational numbers. अब हमें देखना है which is greater or which is less in these two rational numbers. What is the procedure? आप सेकंड रेशनल नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर से फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर के न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए और फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर से सेकंड रेशनल नंबर के न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट? minus 4 multiplied by 7 and 5 multiplied by 7 and minus 5 multiplied by 5 and 7 multiplied by 5. So now this minus 4 by 5 is equivalent to minus 28 upon 35 and this minus 5 by 7 can be written as minus 25 upon 35. Now both rational numbers have same denominator, so focus on the numerator. हमें मालूम है कि यदि नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर्स हैं तो जिस नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर नंबर में स्मॉल होगा वो रेशनल नंबर बड़ा होगा, बिगर होगा, और जिस रेशनल नंबर नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर जिस नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर नंबर में बड़ा होगा वो रेशनल नंबर स्मॉलर होगा. मीन्स 28 इज बिगर देन 25, सो माइनस 28 अपॉन 35 इज लेस देन माइनस 25 अपॉन 35. सो माइनस 4 अपॉन 5 इज लेस देन माइनस 5 अपॉन 7. थर्ड वन, minus 7 by 8 negative rational number, 14 upon 16 positive rational number. We know that a negative rational number is always be less than the positive rational number. So minus 7 by 8 is less than 14 by 16. Minus 8 upon 5 and minus 7 upon 4 both are negative rational number. So repeat the procedure of question number 2. Multiply first rational number by 4 and second rational number by 5. So first rational number can be written as minus 32 upon 20 and second rational number can be written as minus 35 upon 20. Because 32 is less than 35, so minus 32 upon 20 is greater than minus 35 upon 20, means minus 8 by 5 is greater than minus 7 by 4. Third one, 1 upon minus 3, we know that it is equivalent to minus 1 upon 3. So both are negative rational numbers. Repeat the procedure. First rational number multiplied by 4 and second rational number multiplied by 3. So this one is minus 4 upon 12 and this one is minus 3 upon 12. 3 is less than 4, yeah, 4 is greater than 3, so minus 4 upon 12 is less than minus 3 by 12, so it is less than. 5 upon minus 11, minus 5 upon 11, we know that 5 upon minus 11 is same as minus 5 upon 11, so here is minus 5 upon 11 and here is also minus 5 upon 11, it means both rational numbers are equal. 0, remember the number line. What is number line? In the right side of 0 there is always be the positive rational numbers. In the left side of 0 there always be the negative rational number. In the left side in the number line always the number is lesser. It means 0 is in the right side of minus 7 by 6 or minus 7 by 6 in the left side of 0 in the number line. It means 0 is greater than minus 7 by 6. So 0 is greater than minus 7 by 6. Number 9. Which is greater in each of the following pair of rational numbers? See, this question number 9 is quite similar to the question number 8. So repeat the procedure. 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. We want to compare these two rational numbers and want to find out which is greater. Again, multiply first rational number by the denominator of second and second rational number by the denominator of first. So it is 4 by 6 and second one is 15 by 6. Both rational numbers are positive rational numbers. Recall the property of positive rational number. यदि दो पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर्स के डिनोमिनेटर सेम हैं तो जिस रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा वो रेशनल नंबर बड़ा होगा. सो 15 by 6 is bigger than 4 by 6. 15 by 6 is the equivalent rational number of 5 by 2 and 4 by 6 is the equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. It means 5 by 2 is greater than 2 by 3. Second pair, minus 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. Both are the negative rational numbers. Repeat the procedure. Multiply first rational number by the denominator of second and multiply second rational number by the denominator of first. So this is minus 15 upon 18 and this is minus 24 upon 18. Now both are negative rational numbers and denominators of both rational numbers are same. Recall the knowledge. यदि हमारे पास दो नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर्स हैं जिनके की डिनोमिनेटर सेम हैं तो जिस रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू में स्मॉलर होगा वो नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर बड़ा होगा. न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू ऑफ न्यूमरेटर ऑफ फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर इज 15 and numeric value of second rational number of numerator is 24. 15 is smaller than 24, so minus 15 upon 18 is greater than minus 24 upon 18. It means minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 4 by 3. Third one, minus 3 by 4 and 2 by minus 3. We know that 2 by minus 3 and minus 2 by 3 are same rational numbers. Now, again repeat the procedure. Multiply first rational number by the denominator of second and second by the denominator of first. Then the rational numbers are minus 9 by 12 and it is minus 8 by 12. 8 is smaller than 9, so minus 8 by 12 is greater than minus 9 by 12. It means minus 2 by 3 or 2 upon minus 3 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. Fourth one, minus 1 by 4 is the negative rational number and 1 by 4 is the positive rational number. We know that positive rational number is always be greater than the negative rational number. So 1 by 4 is greater than minus 1 by 4. Fifth part, minus 3 2 by 7 and minus 3 4 by 5. These rational numbers are presented in the mixed form. So convert it into improper form. Minus bracket 3 into 7 plus 2 by 7 means is equal to minus 23 by 7, and this rational number can be written as minus bracket 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4 upon 5 means equal to minus 19 upon 5. So these two rational numbers can be written as minus 23 upon 7 and minus 19 upon 5. Repeat the procedure. Multiply by 5 in the first rational number and multiply by 7 in the second rational number. So first rational number is minus 115 upon 35 and second rational number is minus 133 upon 35. Both are negative rational numbers. We know that 115 is smaller than 133. So minus 115 upon 35 is greater than minus 133 upon 35, and hence minus 3 2 by 7 is greater than minus 3 4 by 5. 10. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. हर सेट में 3 रेशनल नंबर्स गिवन हैं और हमें उन्हें उनके असेंडिंग मीन्स इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. मीन्स जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट रेशनल नंबर है वो सबसे पहले, देन जो रिमेनिंग 2 रेशनल नंबर्स हैं उसमें जो स्मॉलर है देन वो, एंड देन थर्ड वन. लुक एट द सीरीज ऑफ फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. All the rational numbers have same denominator 5 and all the rational numbers are negative rational numbers. We know that कि यदि कोई रेशनल नंबर नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर है तो उसके न्यूमरेटर की वैल्यू, न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू जितनी ज़्यादा होगी वो उतना ही स्मॉलर होगा. इन गिवन 3 रेशनल नंबर्स, numeric value of this rational number is, numeric value of the numerator of this rational number is highest, which is 3. So minus 3 by 5 is smallest in this series. So first minus 3 by 5. Then compare remaining 2. 2 is greater than 1. So minus 2 by 5 is smaller than minus 1 by 5. So then it is minus 2 by 5 and then minus 1 by 5 is highest among these 3. So minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5 is the ascending order of this series. Next is minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9 and minus 4 by 3. All three rational numbers are negative rational numbers. So before to start the comparison, convert these all three rational number in such an equivalent rational numbers whose denominator is same. So for this purpose, multiply first rational number by 3 and multiply second rational number by 3. Then the equivalent series is minus 3 by 9, minus 2 by 9 and minus 12 by 9. Compare. 12 is highest among numerators of all the three rational numbers and the rational number is negative. So minus 12 by 9 is smallest rational number. Then compare other two. 3 is greater than 2. So minus 3 by 9 is smaller than minus 2 by 9. So second one is minus 3 by 9 and then minus 2 by 9. Means minus 4 by 3 is smallest, then minus then minus 1 by 3 and then minus 2 by 9. This is the ascending order of this series. Now minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 4. अगेन हमें इन सारे तीनों ही रेशनल नंबर्स के डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करना है. कैसे कर सकते हैं? एलसीएम हमें यूज करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. सो व्हाट आर द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 7? 7, 14, 21, 28 एट्सेट्रा. व्हाट आर द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 etc. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So 28 is the lowest common multiple among 7, 2 and 4. So convert these rational numbers into such equivalent form whose denominator is 28. For this purpose, first rational number multiply by 4. So minus 3 multiplied by 4 upon 28. Then second rational number multiply by 14. So minus 3 into 14 upon 28. And third rational number multiply by 6. So third is minus 3 into 6 upon third 4 minus 3 by 4 multiply by 7 to convert this 4 into 28. So it is minus 3 multiplied by 7 into 2 into 4 multiplied by 7 means it is equal to minus 21 upon 28. So this rational number is minus 12 upon 28. This rational number is minus 42 upon 28 and this rational number is minus 21 upon 28. Now the denominator of all the three rational numbers are same and the rational numbers are negative. So 12 is smallest among all three. So minus 12 by 28 is the greatest or highest rational number among three. Minus 42 upon 28. 42 is the highest numeric value of the numerator among these three rational number. So minus 42 upon 28 is the smallest rational number of this series. So first is minus 42 upon 28, then minus 21 upon 28, and then minus 12 upon 28. Minus 42 upon 28 means equivalent to minus 3 by 2. So this is first. Then minus 21 upon 28. Minus 21 upon 28 is equivalent to minus 3 by 4. So it is second. And minus 3 by 7, which is equivalent to minus 12 upon 28. This is the highest of this series. So first arrange minus 3 by 2, then arrange minus 3 by 4, and then arrange minus 3 by 7 to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. This is the end of exercise 9.1. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel AP Classes. Thank you.